everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for a fun new review. Today I am reviewing, unboxing, and also installing the brand new Magbak Elite case for the iPhone 17 Pro, which I have here. I'm so excited to have like a super cool case for this. So that is what I have inside this bag today. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. And I can't wait to show you guys all the cool features on these cases because they really have a lot going for them. I also want to say a big thank you to Magbak for sponsoring today's video. So here we go. There's also like, these are super customizable, which is really cool. And they actually sent me all of their colors. So I'm going to show you guys that today as well. You can change out just the loop, just the side buttons if you want, just to give it a lot more personality to fit you. So here we go. These are the cases. Whoa, these boxes are actually really cool. I have the black here and I also have the beige. These boxes are really nice, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the black first. Whoa. I don't normally get like cool boxes with my phone cases, but look at the texture on that, you guys. It's really nice. So this is actually going to be my husband's. He wanted black and I wanted the beige, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out the other one as well so you guys can see that. Ooh, very nice. So let's do a little bit more of a close-up and show you guys what these look like. So one of the really cool things about these cases is that they come with a screen protector, so you can actually install the screen protector on your phone inside this box. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. So let's go ahead and open this one first. Once again, that is the box. It's really cool. It's actually hard plastic. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to pop this back. There we go. Oh, there's the case. It is so pretty. Let's go ahead and pull everything out. You have your cleaning cloths. There's the case. It has so many great features, you guys. Can't wait to show you, but first let's get it installed. And there is your screen protector right here. And this guy, that guy looks a little like Eminem. It says you only get one shot. Watch the install video. We're gonna put this back here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that tail out because I believe that's where we're gonna pull from. And here is where you're going to put your phone. So let's go ahead and start with that. So in the instructions, it says to have your phone facing this direction. Feels like a pretty tight fit in here. So I don't think it's gonna move around or anything. Next, we're going to clean the screen. So I have this alcohol pad here. Next, they give you this, which is a little microfiber cloth. And they also have a sticker in here to pull off all the dust, which I do see already piling up. So they have this blue sticker tape. So I'm just gonna do this. And probably pretty quickly after that, I'm gonna pull this case down over it. Here we go. Okay, I have it clicked into place. Now we're going to pull this. All right, we did it. So let's open it back up and we'll see how it came out. So it's on there and there are only a few air bubbles. And like they said, it'll only take a few hours for those to all go away. But overall, I don't think we got any dust in there, guys. Yay! Okay, so here is our beige case. You have like rose gold buttons on the side. You have this great detailing on the side here, which helps with grip. I found with a lot of my other cases, they don't have something like that, and it's easy for your phone to slip out of your hand. So I love that they added that. You also have these gold buttons on the side here, which I think look really sharp. One of my favorite things about this case is that you actually have a little pinky pillow here. On the inside here, you can put an extra mag strip if you need to. You also have this suede-like material in here, which is super soft, so it's gonna keep your phone well protected. Now on the other side, you have some pretty cool features. You have a magnet here, here, and here. And you can mount this on any magnetic surface and it will hold. You also have this really great finger loop here, which I will show you guys how that works when I put my phone in. But this can pop out so you can easily slide your finger in there, and it also goes flat if you want to charge. This piece down here is actually a little stand, which is really cool. But like I mentioned, there's also a magnet in there. So let's go ahead and put my phone in. Okay, I like to kind of start from the bottom and slide up when I do cases. Just makes it a lot easier, I think. I'm gonna push in and it popped in easily. So this is the beige case on the iPhone 17 Pro. Very, very nice. I love it. Now let's see how that feels. It's like soft and cushiony. So it's a pinky pillow. It feels really good, you guys. Now it also is covering up the charge port. So if you want to take it off for charging, you can. And then you just put it back up when you're done charging it. And you have all the holes you need to keep your speakers open, which is great. So I'm loving it. Let's go ahead and test this here. Oh yeah, that's great. So there you go. And when you're not using it, you can push it right back in and make it nice and flat. Now let's go ahead and test the buttons out to see if they turn the phone on. There you go. It turned it on. I'm totally obsessed. I love this case, but Magbak does offer several different colors to choose from that you can do color accents with. So let's choose one and take a look at what we have. So they have orange, blue, purple, green, gray, and red. And my personal favorite for pairing with the beige is blue. So let's do blue. So here are our colors. So let's go ahead and pull the phone back out of the case so that we can swap out our pieces. And don't worry, you guys, if you are after the black case in particular, I'm also going to show you guys that one. So hang on just a little bit and I will show you that. Let's go ahead and pull out the middle piece here first. And when you're doing this, you can choose whether or not you would like to do just one thing. So if I just wanted to have the finger loop be a different color, you can. But today I'm going to show you guys all the pieces. So pull that out first. Is the accent piece for the frame there. We're also going to do these little grips here. So down on the inside there, you guys can see. You can also choose to take out these pieces, but I like the gold, so I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to take out these small pieces on the other side as well. Double check there's nothing else I want to remove, but I think that's it. So let's go ahead and add on our accents. And what's nice about this set is actually they include a Pro Max size and the Pro size, and we are just the Pro. So we're going to start with the lens area here, and I'm just going to line up this piece here and then the top piece and click it gently into place. So that was pretty simple. It already looks really good. Next, we're going to get into this, okay? And we are only using the loop as well as these pieces that tried to fly out. So let's do the loop next. This is starting to look really good. So the long piece just goes down this way. And the loop is very easy to trade out as long as you don't have your phone in the case. So our case is looking really good. Let's go ahead and install these next. For these, I'm just kind of wiggling my finger back and forth to push these into place. All right, there we go. We got that one side on, and I'll quickly put on the other side. So here's our case with all of the blue accents. Doesn't that look sharp, you guys? It looks really, really good with the beige color and then with the gold accents. I think it's giving nautical vibes, but I love that. So let's go ahead and put our phone in. All right, so let's test out the new loop. Yep. Perfect. Here is the black case. Let's take a look at it. I think he's gonna really like this. So this is what it looks like with all black buttons. There's some metallic black there, as you can see, and then all the grips on the side are black. So what he would like to have me do on here for him is to put on the gray set. So that is what we're gonna do next. Okay, we've pulled them all out. Let's go ahead and put in the gray. Now that we have all of our accents on, let's go ahead and put my phone in this case, which I think is actually gonna look pretty sharp with the silver. My husband's phone is navy blue. Okay, there we go. Ooh, I like that. I feel like that's giving a little bit of Jack Skellington vibes. What do you think? Try the loop out. What do you guys say we go and try these cases out on my refrigerator, an at-home charger, and my Magbak charger in my Tesla? So here we are at my fridge, and we're going to test out the brand new Magbak Elite phone case for the iPhone 17 Pro. But first I wanted to talk about these telescoping magnets on the back. So I'm going to show you guys real quick up close what exactly happens when you use that. So I have a little magnet here so you can see that they move a little bit. See that? So they can adjust to different types of surfaces that may be shaped a little different. So like your car door or something like that. But this is going to mount just fine on my fridge. In fact, these magnets are super strong. So I love that. I love that it is all included in this case. I don't need any separate magnets or anything like that because they're already on the case. So it's quite strong. And every time you pull it, you can actually hear it. Can you hear that? You can hear the telescoping magnets going back into their place. So let's go try it out in my car on the Magbak charger. So here is my Magbak charger in my car. I have it just mounted on the side here for my Tesla Model Y. So let's go ahead and put it right on there. It's stuck really nice and strongly to that. It's perfect. Love it. Now let's put it on an uneven surface like my car. I love that. Now let's try it on my at-home charger, and I highly recommend this one. It works so great with Magbak cases. Nice strong connection. There you go. So now that I've had a chance to play around with my new case and also add in all the accents to make it a lot more customized, I can share with you guys my favorite things. I think my top favorite thing though, and I think it's so unique, is actually this box itself where you can close the phone in here and pull off the screen protector and like install it in the box. That is really unique and I love that. I think that's great that they even include a screen protector. I really love the customization that you can do on here. I think the blue looks really good with the beige color, especially with these gold button accents, which I decided to keep on from the beige color. So I really like that. I love this grip here because I'm a big pop socket type of person, but as a woman, the pop sockets get stuck on your back pocket when you're trying to pull it in and out. This actually goes completely flat, so it does not get in the way. You can access it when you want to. So if I want to use it, cool. If I don't, I just push it back in. Another favorite thing, I really love this pinky cushion. I hold my phone like this a lot. And so having that there is so comfortable compared to that other thing I was using. So I really like that. And I also like this. Now I don't use this type of thing very often, but if I was somewhere and I wanted to just sit and like look at my phone like this, or if I wanted to look at it like this, or if I needed to take pictures and just pop it up somewhere real quick, I could take a selfie with my husband or something like that. Yeah, I really like this. And I highly recommend it, you guys. It's a really nice phone case, and I love that you can customize it with all the different colors of buttons and everything. And I'd be interested down in the comments below, what color accent would you choose to go with your case, and what case would you want to go with it? And don't forget, you can actually use my code KATES15 for 15% off your purchase. These run about $79 per case, and I believe the accents are like an additional $9.99. But use code KATES15 at checkout and you'll save 15%, and I will also leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys. If you found this video fun and helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching!